guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I will be making 3 nauticals. Well, it's one sign, but it uses 3 different boards, and I will be making a nautical sign kind of thing. And for that I have picked up these boards at Dollarama. They were $1.25 and I have 3 identical ones. And then I also had my sister cut me up some nautical signs as stencils on her Cricut, and I'm using this picture frame holder from Dollar Tree as one of the other stencils as well. And I will be using a red Emperor Silk chalk paint from Annie Sloan, a coastal blue chalked by Rust-Oleum, and Annie Sloan Original, which is white or antique white kind of paint. So the reason why I have chosen these colors is actually because this video is part of a challenge hosted by Heidi Sambo, and she had asked us to create something using the red, blue, and white, which I am not located in US, but if you are in US, you would be making most likely a patriotic, some sort of patriotic DIY. But she said it was okay for us to participate as well. We didn't have to do a patriotic sign, but we could, just as long as we use the colors that she had put in as a part of the challenge. So that is what I'm doing. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put a light coat of red onto all of these boards. Actually, first I'm going to remove this rope so that way it's not in my way. So that's all I'm gonna do as far as red goes. I'm gonna repeat the same thing for all 3 boards. So this is ready, so I'm going to cover it fully with my white paint. I will probably need 2 coats. So I had applied 2 coats on here, and now I'm going to use my little stencil. I'm going to secure it with some tape. So I used a painter's tape to tape the stencil down, and then I'm using my stenciling brush from Dollar Tree and the coastal blue to stencil it on. And just like any other stenciling, you don't want to go heavy with paint, you just want to and you want to dab it, not rub it. I think that works the best. And the best part about stenciling is the reveal, and I just absolutely love the way this turned out. And by not waiting for the white to completely dry, as you can see, it kind of blended the white in a little bit, and I think that looks absolutely stunning. So I repeat the same process for this one as well, and then I'll show you what I'm doing for the wooden stencil. So here I took that wooden stencil and I had traced it with a pencil, and then I fill it in with a brush. Again, this time I'm not using my stenciling brush, but I am using just a brush, and I am, as you can see, just dipping it lightly into the paint because I don't want to get too thick of a line. And what I was going for is the clean line, the way you'll get it from the actually if you stenciled it. But since I was tracing it, just using a little bit of paint and going over the penciled marks is what worked for me. So then I took a pencil and a ruler and drew lines to make it look like shiplap. I think that's what it's called. I just think this added an extra dimension to the sign, and I repeated this for all 3 signs. I already did the anchor one, and I'm just working on the sailboat, and then I will do it on the ship's wheel as well. Now the last step is where the red paint comes in. Is I took some sandpaper and I sanded the white down in spots to bring up the red paint. It's kind of hard to tell with the camera. It truly doesn't really show all that red paint coming through, but I think this just made it look rustic, and I love the showing of red paint through. And by sanding it, it just kind of almost blended all the colors a little bit and made it look aged, I guess, weathered. So once again, make sure you check out Heidi's channel as well as the playlist that will be linked down below. I enjoy participating in these DIYs. It just makes me think a little bit outside of the box. So like I said, check out the playlist, check out Heidi's channel. I would like to thank Heidi for hosting this challenge. And if you are stopping by for the very first time, I would love it if you considered subscribing. I post DIY videos 3 times a week, sometimes more, if there are challenges out. And I would love it if you join my YouTube family. Okay, so here they are. I think they look fabulous. I think they would look great around your pool, or if you have a cottage or a lake house. So until next time, hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.